In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove items from cart on EA Sports. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wanted to make any purchase and you had added items to cart, but you wish to remove some or even to clear your cart, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your EA Sports account. You can see I'm logged into mine here. From here, head over to this cart icon and just tap on it. This will list all the items added to cart. To remove any item, just hover over it. For instance, if I hover over this item added, you can see we have an X here. I'll go ahead and tap on X to remove it. And as you can see, now that item has been removed. I can also go ahead and remove this. I'll just click on this X and now my cart is empty. So that's how you can remove items from cart on EA Sports platform. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.